If you've ever tried running your business using a bunch of different tools, maybe one for emails, another for booking calls, and a separate one for landing pages, you probably know how frustrating it can get. That's exactly why Go High Level exists. Hey, I'm Daniel, and today I am walking you through Go High Level, what it is, how it works, and why it's quickly becoming one of the most powerful, all-in-one platforms for marketers and business owners. If you're just getting started, I'll also show you what features to focus on first and how to avoid getting overwhelmed. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. What is Go High Level? Go High Level is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform. It's designed to replace multiple software subscriptions like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Calendly, and even tools like Kajabi or Typeform. Everything lives under one roof. You can build funnels, send emails and texts, manage your leads, automate workflows, accept payments, book appointments, and even host online courses. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or just starting your first side hustle, Go High Level gives you all the tools in one place. Overview. Once you're inside your account, everything's organized around your sub-accounts. You can think of those as separate workspaces, maybe one for each business or client. So you'll land in the Launchpad. That's where you set up the essentials: your Google business profile, Stripe for payments, Facebook and Instagram connections, even your mobile app. It's a step-by-step guide, and it's super beginner-friendly. Start with that. Don't worry about building everything on day one. Just focus on connecting your accounts, exploring the dashboard, and setting up your first test funnel or form. And the best way to learn, just start clicking, seriously play around with it. That's how I learned it, and it's way faster than passively watching tutorials. Each sub-account has its own dashboard, and you can easily switch between them. You'll find your CRM with everything from conversations and pipelines to calendar and marketing tools, as well as automations, payments, and even website builder, all in one sidebar. The Conversations tab is where all client messages go. Whether it's email, SMS, or Facebook Messenger, it's all in one unified inbox. The calendar lets you set up appointments, connect to Google Calendar, and create custom booking links. You can even set round-robin logic for sales teams or use different calendars for different services. The Contacts tab holds your leads and clients. You can tag them, filter them with smart lists, track which pages they visited, and even see which emails or automations they've gone through. The Opportunities tab gives you a clear, visual overview of your entire sales process. You can create custom pipelines, move leads through different stages, and track every deal from first contact to closed sale. It's a simple but powerful way to stay organized and turn leads into paying customers. If you've ever used ClickFunnels, this part's going to feel pretty familiar. Inside Go High Level, you can build full websites or multi-step funnels using a drag-and-drop editor that's super clean and easy to use. You've got a few ways to get started. Build it from scratch if you like full control, let the AI create a funnel for you based on your goals, or just pick from a bunch of templates that are already designed and ready to go. No matter which route you choose, it's super flexible. You can tweak every section, change up the branding, and have a fully working funnel live in way less time than you'd think, and without needing to touch a single line of code. And yes, Go High Level handles payments too. You can connect Stripe, send invoices, set up recurring subscriptions, and even automate your contracts with built-in document signing. No need for third-party apps like DocuSign. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The Marketing tab is where you'll find email broadcasts, newsletters, and even social media post scheduling. You can connect Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more, all from inside the platform. It also supports affiliate programs. So if you're launching a product or course, you can recruit and manage affiliates without needing additional software. Everything is built to save you time and money. Let's move to the Automations tab. And finally, this is where Go High Level really shines. Automations let you build workflows for almost anything. If a new lead comes in, automatically send a welcome text, trigger an email, wait 2 minutes, and follow up with the call. You can create these flows visually and customize every single step. There are also pre-built recipes for common tasks, birthday messages and onboarding emails, re-engagement campaigns, and more. Once you understand how workflows are triggered and what actions are possible, it's like unlocking your own personal marketing team that works around the clock. You can host online courses, create membership areas, issue certificates, and even build community groups. If you've been using Kajabi or Teachable, this can replace those. There's also a built-in reputation management tool that makes it easy to request, track, and respond to customer reviews across platforms like Google. You can automate review requests, monitor feedback in one place, and even use positive reviews in your marketing. It's a great way to boost trust and visibility without a lot of manual effort. And if you ever need extra functionality, there's an app marketplace where you can integrate other tools you're already using. From analytics to support apps, it's all there. But honestly, GoHighlevel already covers so much out of the box that most people won't need to add much, if anything at all. Final thoughts. So, should you use GoHighlevel? If you're serious about streamlining your business and building better systems, it's absolutely worth trying. Is it a little overwhelming at first? Sure, but once you get into it, everything starts to make sense and fast. Start small, pick one project or one client. Build a simple funnel, connect a calendar, or automate a follow-up message. Just get your hands on it. That's how you'll learn. That's how I learned. And now, I can't imagine running my business without it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Catch you next time.